Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Nicole. You can call me Beryl. From my friends who are watching from Germany, German countries, Guten Morgen. If you are watching me from the English speaking nation, good morning, how are you? So I have a very interesting topic to share with you today, which is very important. You need to listen and listen well. For those people who have gone to the embassy and your visa was denied, this is your opportunity. This is your opportunity. There is one way of coming to Germany. You can use the visa application that is called a Schengen. A Schengen is you apply for short stay visa. Remember, your end goal is maybe to come and study here for permanent residence, but you are not going to tell the embassy that, because most of the time, depending with the financial capability, you see, you can wake up in the morning and the host family is quiet. What will you do, So it's a short stay visa. It's actually 90 days. So 27 countries came together and decided to outsource their visa application. So they outsourced this to TLS Contract Center. TLS Contract Center. It is located in 9th West Badum, Nairobi. 9 West Building in Nairobi. And all the information you require is in their portal. It's called TLS Contract Center. Please Google if you're in Kenya and you intend to come to Germany. This is the easiest way to get your entry to Germany. Before you go through the visa application, make sure, do not book an appointment without knowledge of documents that are required, right? So these are the documents that you need to take with you to the embassy. Number one, fill the visa application form. You will have to fill the visa. That is self-explanatory. Your name, your date of birth, why you are coming to Germany. Make sure you write the right thing. Number two, have your passport photograph. Just make sure you take a photo of your passport or a printout. Then have your physical passport. Carry your passport to the embassy. Yeah, just carry it, you get. Then proof of travel purpose. Why are you traveling? Is it for business? Is it for a visit? You need to quote down there where you are traveling. Number four, proof of travel purpose we mentioned there. You'll have, if it is a visit, then you must have an invitation letter from your host. They'll give you an original invitation letter proving that you are traveling for a visit. If you are traveling for a business, then the company you are visiting will give you a letter, right? So then you will have to prove the relationship between you and the host, or between you and the company you are going to do business with. What do I mean? You have to prove that maybe you are a spouse, you are a next of kin, the proof. And then you will have to have a formal obligation form from your host. Mainly when the host is catering for everything for you. Is the one applying for the obligation form from their embassy, then they share with you, right? So you must have the obligation form, proof of your travel. What do I mean? Tickets. I tell people, don't go to the airport and get a ticket, a real ticket. Get a dummy ticket. I think when you look for your traveling agent in Kenya, you will get this within 1,000 and 2,000. Then you take it. Don't go with a real ticket. And then I've said proof of your travel card insurance. Baby girl, you must have an insurance. It is a must. Whether you like it or not, please have an insurance for traveling. You show proof of ties to Kenya. What do I mean? You must tell these people that you are coming back to your country. You are coming back to Kenya. What do I mean? Your employer will give you a letter showing that you are coming back. If you are in business, you can carry a business permit, company registration card, right? company registration card you can carry, or you can even give lease agreement, title deed that shows that you are not going there permanently, show that you are coming back, right? And then you will have to show the financial capability. If your host is the one catering for everything, then you must have their bank statement. They'll give you a bank statement. I say if you don't have a host family, look for my video I did earlier. Look for how to get an au pair family. If you don't have an au pair family, come as voluntary worker. They won't need you to have a host. Come like a voluntary worker with a letter from employer. Go to the sites I mentioned. Look at my video, the second video. The reason you are coming is to work voluntary, right? That is the easiest way. Come with that and get a host, or just get a host. If you're not able to get a host, come into pair family. Get a host from pair family. I hope it is understood. So welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you very soon. The main purpose where you are applying for this visa, you already know in mind what you are planning to do. Is maybe to come here to study, and the process of coming here is not easy. So most of the time they deny visa. So you are using the visit visa. It is the easiest. You just go few questions. So long as you have all the documents I've mentioned, then you will be here, right? So if you're coming to study, there are so many vocational colleges that are free. Please check my last video. I did quote all the colleges that you and the links where you can come to study for free if you are a nurse. Please check my last video and even how to apply. If you are below 25 years old, please go and apply for au pair. It is the last video I did. Please check it out and apply for au pair and come here. You can also do voluntary in Germany. Please check out my videos. That is if you don't have a host family, right? And again, what do you need to know again when you come here? The vocational colleges, most of them are free for nursing. Just come, walk to a vocational college yourself and apply, right? Apply. Congratulations. Thank you for coming. Welcome to Germany. We say karibu sana. If you are from Kenya, congratulations in advance. Please take this moment and apply. If you are getting any challenges with TLS, please contact me. I will be able to assist. I don't charge anything. The information I'm giving for free. It is just your work to hit my inbox. Hit my inbox. If you don't know where the building is, I can share with you a pin location. So down there, I will share with you all these requirements that are needed. Please check down there on my video. If you have any question, please put it there. If there is a video that you want me to do, I will do it. The other question was somebody asked me, you are nurse? Are you aspiring nurse? Each being studenting, aufwärmen, right? Each being studenting. So when you come to Germany, holla. I am not a host family. Please don't call me to get a host. I don't know how to get them. What I know, you just apply through au pair. Use the processes that we use, because me myself, remember I just told you I'm a student. I'm not able to sponsor you for now. I'm so sorry. Because sometimes you go to the vocational studies, you are given a room, a house, but it is shared. So it is covered by the college. How did I get on this? Go to my video. The last video I did, I've explained everything. So see you in the next videos, my loves. Please don't forget to click down on subscribe below. Please support me. I'm also a student like you. Just support me with what I'm doing. After classes, I get few hours to do this one. It is not easy, but of course, because I'm here, I have all the information. I feel like it is okay to share. I'm not charging you, even if you call me to ask me, because I've stayed in Nairobi for the rest of my life. If you ask me where the office is, I'll tell you for free. I will not charge you. So please subscribe down down there. I'm going to do another video. If there is a video that you want me to do, please share it down below, comment down below so that I'm able to do it. Thank you so much. Tunasemanga thank you very much. See you in the next video. Yeah, auf Wiedersehen. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. See you in my next video. Thank you.